Guys, Andrew here. Welcome back to Drew Tutorial. And if you're seeing the channel for the first time, special welcome to you. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to print your Google contacts. Now, what you want to do, head over to google.com and ensure that you sign into your account. Then go ahead and click on the apps on the upper right hand side. That's the Google apps. And then simply scroll down and find contacts. Click on that. Now here you will find your contact list, and in the upper right hand side you will see a printer icon. If you click on that, it's going to allow you to print the contacts. Here you can see that I have two contacts. If I click the drop down, I can choose if I want to print contacts or labels. Just ensure that you select contacts. Now go ahead and click on print, and it's going to open up your printer, and here you'll find those contacts that you have in your contact list. Here you can ensure that you select your printer. As you can see, I select mine there. I can choose if I want to print it into a portrait or a landscape mode. Let's keep it at the portrait. I can choose if I want color or black and white. Let's leave it at color. And you can also go ahead and choose to print from a specific page if you have multiple contacts. In my case, I have just two, so I'll leave it as that. And just go ahead and hit on print on the lower right hand side. And that's it. You'll be able to print out your Google contacts on a piece of paper from your printer. And that's it.